Hello guys, so this is Sandeep and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is an extension of our DF Sort Tricks playlist. So this video we are gonna discuss about another trick related to DF Sort, which is very important if you want to create larger data set with a large record length using small record length data sets. Like for suppose if you have a data set record length of 10 and you want to take each record from this file and combine it into a larger data set having a record length of 80. This is possible easily using a simple keyword from the df sort utility, which is called by the IceTool program. So in this we're not just gonna look into the df sort utility but also gonna look into the IceTool utility as well. So let us begin. This is my SPF primary option menu. Here first thing that we need to check is if we have our input file. So I've already created an input file and I'll just show you the data that is present inside this input file, df sorting file. Now this file is of a record length 20 and here we have a 10 record. We have the input file. Let me create an output file of record length 80. Yeah, 80 will do fine. Out file. Let me allocate new data set having a record length of 80. Okay, so the data set is allocated. So here let me create a, oh, so I've already created member name of trick 3 in it. So let me just delete this data, create a new data JCL for this JC macro. This is our trick number 3. We have our job card generated automatically. Let us enter a step name S1. The exact command we are gonna use a program IceTool. Let us direct this tool messages to our sysout along with the df sort message is also dd sysout star. Here we'll define our input file. Our input data is stored in this particular data set. This position is here. It's not correct. This is our output file. I need to be more careful when typing the JCL to avoid any. So here syntax error. So here the record length or the you can say logical record length is of 20, whereas the logical record length of the output file is 80. Our goal over here is to get data from the input file and which is a smaller file and combine it into write it into a bigger file. This can be achieved using a nice tool. Let us get rid of this extra data. This must give us a syntax error. So our input file and output file is defined. Let us move ahead by defining the control card. We'll reuse resize from in file. file. One more thing which we need to specify is we have defined that we're gonna resize the input file of FP20 to output file of FP80 to length. We need to specify the length over here, as we want that it should be 5 and 5, it is of 10, right? So let me just enter 55 over here. 55 is the total length, and we have it saved. Let us go through it once again. So here we are calling a ICE tool program, which would in turn call the df sort. We'll check for an input file, output file, and then check into the tooling control card where it will read the resize, and from the resize it will check for an input and output file, and from that it will check for the what is the total length or transformation to what length, and let's submit it. See the output. Okay, submission shows JCL error. Somewhere there is an okay, should not go now. Submit. Again there is a JCL error. Let us check in this tool what is the error. DSM is not entering. So it is DSM. It was a silly mistake. 55. Save. Submit. Maxis is 0. We had kept our tool length to be as 55. Let us check the output file. Here is our output file, and as you can see, the data got sorted or generated in this format. Let us see if we had kept the tool length as 80, what would be the outcome. Just save it, submit this. So our output over here is file. Okay, so the first 20 bytes is this way, next 20 bytes is this way, the next 20 byte is this way. This completes our 80 byte, and yes, so here is the output. You can see a smaller file was combined together to form a larger file. Using ICE tool you can also add in an addition, which is something like this. Suppose if you have an input file having certain records, for let's say example 20 records, okay, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 20. So here we are having 20 records, and we want to omit those records which are having record spelling as wrong. Instead of record it is accord. So those record having A as accord would be eliminated or omitted, which can be achieved. For a ease of understanding, I'll define all the wrong values at number 5. So the multiples of 5 will remove this accord. 10 is a multiple of 5, yes, accord. Multiple of 15, accord. So these three records are wrong, which we want to omit these records, and this can be achieved using a simple control statement which we will add into the JCL that we just created. Trick 3. So that's all is fine. So in order to achieve this, we'll have to define another control card, CNTL, starting with CNTL. So in order to achieve that outcome, we'll have to define another control card which will be part of our DFS sort, and this can be achieved by entering a new control statement which is as follow. We'll give the control statement name as CTL1 CNTL, which is a mandatory word, then DD star. In here we'll define our condition. Here we want to omit a certain record, omit condition. It will check for the first byte of that record, which is from 1 to 1, and it is a character. If it is equals to A instead of R, then we'll omit such records. Now in order to invoke this control command, we'll add a using function which will direct it towards CTL1. This particular CTL1 is identified using CTL1, and this will sort our data accordingly. So let us save this and submit. Submission is successful with maxcc0. Let us check our output file. So before checking the output file, we know what we did in the GCL, that we identified the records which was starting with an invalid record name starting with A instead of R. We identified these records using the omit command into our control CNTL card. Now using that CNTL card in the ICE tool control card, we'll omit those records. So if you check over here, see record number 1 is present, 2 is present, 3 is present, 4 is present, but 5 is absent. 8, 9 is there, 10 is absent, 12, 13, 14 is there, but 15 is absent. So yes, so our output was successful using the control card. We were able to omit certain records as well. Also, we also learned that using an ICE tool, and using easily a resize keyword, we can easily resize any dataset into a larger dataset. Also, in the following videos, we'll also learn how to vice versa the same topic, that is how to generate smaller datasets using a larger dataset. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys.